Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and pasting your API key into Token Terminal. This gives you access to analytics immediately. Once logged in, select the workspace and narrow the date range so you focus on recent trends. Make sure permissions and rate limits are acceptable, then enable CSV export and any BI connectors. This first step jumps you into live data. Don't linger on settings. Validate access, choose the right time window, and export a sample file to confirm everything is connected. Now you analyze core metrics: revenue, market cap, and TVL for the token you care about. You filter by token and chain, then switch timeframes so you can compare 7-day versus 30-day trends. This gives context for anomalies. Once done, use chart tools to normalize values or enable log scale for wide ranges and add annotations to mark events. Make sure to export charts and tie them to your CSV sample. This preserves reproducibility and supports quick sharing with stakeholders. Finish by assembling a dashboard with the widgets that matter: revenue, circulating supply, and liquidity metrics. Schedule daily exports so reports arrive automatically. You should also set alerts for percentage changes or liquidity drops so you're notified fast. If numbers look off, troubleshoot by refreshing API keys, clearing your browser cache, and rerunning the query. Check date alignment and filters. If that fails, compare the CSV export to the dashboard values to isolate the discrepancy, and then adjust data range or reconnect the BI tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.